I'm going to review Seedr.cc. It's a torrent client, or we can say torrent to IDM client for fast torrent downloads. Let's Let me show you how it works. If we go to the torrent website, and here is the torrent we need. It has few seeds, 16 only, and it's 2.9 GB. So if you try to download it using uTorrent, it it's going to take a very long time. Let's try to do it with Seedr.cc. Copy the magnet link. Also, you can download the .torrent file and you can paste here. But let's do using the magnet link. I click here the magnet link and it start collecting seeds and downloading the torrent on their server, and it's done very quickly in few seconds. Let's download it and it will start downloading using IDM. Okay, so that's coming from Seedr server, and here I can start downloading using IDM, and it's giving me very good speed. Few other features are initially at your free account it gives you 2 GB, so you cannot download 2.88 GB in a free account initially, but they are very graceful, so you can increase that space by tweeting or a blog post or a video review for 1 GB, which I'm currently doing. And additionally, you can refer to 4 friends, and each sign up will give you 500 MB of space. So that will be enough for most of your torrenting needs. Okay, I believe it's done. Once you start loving this or your torrent needs are more, you can buy their premium plans. I believe all of them are economical. This one 30 GB, or if you are a huge torrenter, then you can go to higher packages. Okay, done for now. Thanks.